Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sunders. Welcome to this YouTube video. If this is your first time in our YouTube channel, please do well to like, subscribe and share this YouTube video. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about how to use MT4 and MT5. Basically they are similar, but I'll be using MetaTrader 4 for the teaching currently, right? So do well to watch this video to end to learn and understand everything you have to know on using MT4 on mobile. Then also, if you want me to drop a video about MT4 on PC, also do well to comment so that I would make the video as soon as possible. Okay, so okay, and also there is currently an ongoing people are actually signing up for the 2023 Sunders FX mentorship. I'll be dropping the group link at the video description. Just join, okay? And also there will be funded account giveaways, right? But overall, people in the advanced group also just have ability to get a funded account once I see their progress and what they are doing also. So without not talking much, let's go straight into the video. So this is Android I'm using currently. So for Android, you just have to move to your Google Play Store. You search for MetaTrader 4 or you search for MetaTrader 5 because these are the two necessary apps you need. That is after you have actually sign up for your broker. And if you want the broker video, just go to the playlist on our YouTube channel. You go to the Forex trading beginners videos, right? You just go through it. So but in this video I'll be using MetaTrader 4. So I actually cleared, or will I say clear the data of my MetaTrader 4 so that it will look like a new MetaTrader 4, right? So once you actually try to log in or start, it's very clear. So we'll be opening the MetaTrader 4. So once you click on open, it will open. You accept, then it probably automatically creates a demo account for you. You understand? So and once it creates a demo account, you see some pairs like audio USD, euro USD, gbp USD. You'll be seeing the spread, and I'll be talking about spread, pips and other terminology in videos to come. Just do well to check out the Forex beginner playlist on our YouTube channel. You see all these videos teaching all these things individually. So overall, this is the price range, right? This is the price, this is the currency pairs. That's what you'll be seeing here for now, right? So now I'll be clicking on these three dots. Once I click on these three dots, you can see this MetaTrader 4 demo accounts. They actually credited the account with 10,000 NGN. I'll be using a broker. I'll be adding another broker, or how to add your broker to your MetaTrader 4. So you simply click on this add sign. So you click on this add. Once you click on this add, you see open a demo account. You see log into an existing account. So you simply click on log into an existing account. Then you click on find. Here you search your broker. Once you click here, you actually type your broker you're looking for. And in this video I'll be using XNES. XNES is my broker, and if you haven't signed up for XNES, check the video description. You do you see the link to sign up for XNES broker, because that is the broker I use, that is the broker I recommend. You understand? So I'll search for XNES. So this is it. Now in XNES they have many servers, right? So it's for you to identify the particular server you're trying to log into. And I believe the server I'm trying to log into is this XNES trial 12. So I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, I'll be pasting the account number. You see the account number on your XNES app. Then your password, you should know your password. Then once you're done, you just click lower here. You see sign in. So I'll be pausing the video to paste those details currently to sign in. Yo, okay guys, I've actually logged into the MT5 XNES demo account. As you can see here, it's showing demo. You can see the balance here is 1000 USD, and the server is actually XNES trial 10, not really 12. So that is it. Once you have logged in your broker, which if you don't know how to create a broker and create a demo account, the video will also be dropping very soon. You'll see it at the playlist. I believe I'll be doing those videos everything today. So now as you can see, once you click on this three line here, it actually shows you all the options you need to see. So once you click on here, you see your account details, your account number, and the server probably, and the name of the account, maybe anything you use as description, right? So over here you see quote, you see chart, you see trade, you see history. Okay, you see mailbox, you see news, you see economic calendar. And what I recommend for economic calendar is what? Investing.com app. That is what I use. If you go to your Google Play Store or App Store website, just search for investing.com. Then this message, trading community, these settings, journal, and about. So all these are basically self-explanatory, right? But now coming over here, you see what? Quotes, right? You see quote, this is the chart, this is the trade when you're placing the trade. So here is the chart. As you can see, this chart, look at how it looks currently. I'll be setting everything to standard. You don't have to worry about anything. Just do well to watch this video to end. So here is the balance equity. We'll be opening a trade very soon, so that you see how it also looks right here. Then here is the history. This is the history. This particular one here is the history. And now once you click here and here, they actually signify something. This is the date of your account. You click here, you see today. Maybe you can click on last week to see your history. You click on last month to see your history, if you have any history at all. And as you can see on this account, last month I actually made profits of 1744, and also withdraw. This is a demo. This was news. I don't like trading news on my main account, but provided I had the knowledge, this is 90 pips, 80 pips profit, right? So I decided to take the advantage of the news, because I'm very sure I'll just take it on demo. Remember, news is not really the only way to make money in trading, but that is by the way. So as you can see, made profit of 174. So I withdrawed it and still left the account or what, on 1000. So this is how the history will appear. This is your balance, this is your profit, your deposit, your withdrawal, and your balance currently also. That is how you see it. Then going over here, you see the news. But remember, I said investing.com is recommended for news. That is down here. Down here, as you can see. Here. Then here is message. Okay, so this message part is if you probably have an MT5 account, like you created the account from the website. This is where you'll be seeing news of the products and offers they have for you. So let's go straight in choosing pairs and everything. So let's say you want to bring Euro USD card and delete all these ones because you're not trading them. So you click on this add button, or if you want to delete, you click on this edit button. So firstly, you'll be editing. So once you click on edit, you click also here on this delete button. So once you click on delete, you're allowed to mark the ones you will actually delete. Basically, why you cannot delete this particular one is because this is the one the chart is open. You cannot delete everything, right? So you just delete this one first, then you go to add. So let's say you do trade Euro USD, you search for Euro USD on this find symbol. So you search for Euro USD, you see Euro USD here, you add it. You search for USD card, you see USD card, you add it. Let's say you trade NAS 100 in what is it called, in XNES, it's called US Tech 100. We'll have the X1000 and we'll have the normal one. Very soon you understand better also about it. So here I've added this. So if I open this Euro USD chart right now, then I can actually delete this particular one, USD rubies, that I am not trading. I'll click on delete. Now you can see it's out. So these are the three pair. So let's say you want to put US Tech first, just hold on it once you're here, place this one first, you understand, place this one and place the next. So this is how you know. Let's say you also want to add BTC, this crypto group. Once you tap here also to show you more options, you can see BTC USD right here. So once I tap on it also, it will just be added automatically. So BTC is also added. And look at the BTC charts. So once you want to open a chart, just tap here, tap on it, right? Once you tap on it, you see new order, open chart, symbol property, advanced view. Just click on open chart. You understand? Then if you want to place an order, you can see place on new order. Well, we're getting to that currently. So opening charts, and many of us will not like our charts to have indicators, right? Or our chart to have a trend, indicators, the color to be black and white. So how do we change this? How do we set it? So that is the next thing we're going to be talking about right here. So how to change your chart colors and everything is simply, you'll be clicking here, you'll be tapping on the chart itself. Just tap on the chart Once you tap on the chart, right, you will see, okay, let's just explain the chart overview first. Once you tap on the chart, you see for 1 minute time frame, 15, 30, 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, this function and these shapes. So let's say you want to go to the daily time frame. Once you tap on it, so we are viewing VTC USD on the daily time frame. Then if you go to Euro USD currently, it will also be on the daily what time frame. So also once you tap on this F is simply means indicator. This particular one is indicator. This particular one is if you want to add shapes, a rectangle or anything or line. So let's check about shape. So here if you want to add a trend line, you want to add a rectangle, this is where you actually will set all those stuff. So let's say you want to place a line from here to here. So once you click on the line, it's too small, so you can see I've extended the line. So this is the line here for those that use MT4 for analysis. As you can see, Euro USD is on an uptrend, but that is by the way. So once you want to delete it, just tap on the line again. Once you long press on the line, you click on delete. If you want to edit to change color and everything, is here also on the properties. So but like once you long press, you click on this delete icon up. I just clicked on that, then you'll be deleting it also. So the next is what here, this means if you want to you want to check the price levels without it shifting. See where I clicked on. If you click up here, you will see access it here. These indicators, these the pairs, this is the history, and this new order, right? So once you click on here, you see that once you click here, these indicators. So let's say you want to add more indicators, you just click. It's like I'm too fast. Let's these indicators. So once you want to add an indicator, you just click here, then you click add indicator. This main window is in the main chart, then indicator window is the one lower, right? So let's say we're adding Bollinger Bands. We just click done. You see the Bollinger Bands is added, but all this I don't use it, is probably trash for me, but it's good to have the knowledge, right? So let's say we want to add relative strength index, that is RSI, at the lower. You can see RSI is added here also. Let's say I want to delete everything because it's useless. You just click here, click here, click here. Look at the delete box, very self-explanatory. Currently click on delete, boom, your chart is clear, no indicators, nothing. So also here is time. From here you can move to any time frame. From here is new orders. Okay, let me change the chart colors and make everything great before moving to new order. So for you to do that, just come here, click on this three icon, right? Once you click on the three icon, you move towards settings. Once you move to settings, just scroll down to colors. You can see colors right here, colors and scheme. Click on colors and scheme. You can see black and white, green and white, any color you choose to. But now I'll be changing everything. I'll be changing my colors. So let's say I'll be using bar up as blue. That is what I normally use. Then bar down as ash. So use this ash, probably this ash. Bull candle as blue. This blue. Hope is the same. Okay, yeah, this blue, the third blue. Then bear candle down, I'm using ash. This is my color. You can use your color, right? Then the chart line. So for now, let's just click on done. Boom, we'll go to chart. You can see, okay, this ash is not that darkened, and you can see all these lines still showing. I'll make it like you will not see this line again and this ash, or let's just use blue and black. So I'm making the bear candle black. So we'll go back there again to settings, to colors. So right, so let's say bar down black. Let's just make it black, and bear candle black. So instead of, some people use green and black or green and red. So for here, grid, making it pure white. Okay, I'm customizing everything. Foreground black, ask price and bid. So once I click on done, I believe this should be it. So as you can see, those those lines are out currently, and everything is what clear. Blue for up, then black for down. Why I use these colors is because it helps the psychology also, right? So now this Euro USD on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, the price is actually pushing higher, You understand? Breaking. So if I want to remove these period intervals also, it's just go to settings also. You will look for it. You see show trade levels, independent, show period separator. Just click on remove period separator. Boom, you're done. Those lines, those period separators are out. So your chart is like this. This is how I love my chart to be. I can still decide to make it in dark mode. For me to make it in dark mode, it's still very easy and simple. Just go here, then you click on foreground, you click on background, you choose black as your background. But if you choose black, your bear candle will not be that clear, right? Because it's down already. See how everything will look like. So it will not be clear unless you change the color of your bear candle also. But this is for people that want it to be in black, right? But I just prefer it to be on white. You understand? So click on done. So we are back here. So right, Euro USD currently pushing up. Then also, if you want to shift your chart a bit, just long press on your chart. This lines comes out. Once you see this line that shows, you can actually drag it to adjust it to be at any level you want. So you tap on it again, is out, so that you can navigate easily. So let's say you want to place a trade now on Euro USD. This is the 15 minutes time frame on Euro USD. Probably this London session. You click here, right? Once you click here, you see new order. Okay, this is a $1,000 account, so using one lot is cool. So new order. So once you click on new order, you see market execution. This is your lot size, where you set your lot size. I'll be explaining what lot size and spread, all those of what they actually mean. This is where you set your stop loss. This is where you set your what take profit. So we'll be placing an order now. So let's say we are placing a sell order. See how it looks like. Just click on sell. Boom. It will sell at what? Market order. So currently we are on a sell. Let me go back to today in history. So currently we are on a sell with one standard lot on Euro USD. As you can see, price was pushing up, but I just placed the sell due to this teaching. And currently price is around FM and FVG, and I expect price to basically what, just sell. It's not like I'm doing analysis on trading. This is for educational purposes currently. You understand? So as I've placed this sell, let's say we want to put our stop loss here, around here, then I'll take profit around here. This is just a teaching purpose. It's not like it's what's going to happen, right? So around here we have, so for you to know the exact number, you can click on this line also, this plus icon. You click on it, you bring it here, you see that is 1.06799. Let's just say 1.068, right? So from here I believe it's roughly not up to 10 pips. So you place here, you click on, for the stop loss 1.06800, modify. Click on modify. Boom, you have modified your stop loss. Once you come here, you see SL to be showing here. Then let's say you want to take profits around here. Let's say 1.06400, and that is around from 7564 to 40 pips or so. You click here. So we'll be clicking here. Click on 1.06400 as take profit for the sell. Boom. So the take profit has been set. So what does, and you see here showing what TP. So what does this imply? This implies that no matter anything, once price reach here, let it close your trade. Let it actually buy your trade, so that your trade will close, so that you'll not be in any trade again, right? So that is what is simply happening here. Then once price reach here, your sales, it will just buy and take out your sell order. You are no longer holding the trade. So once you have set your stop loss, you have set your take profit. Remember, your take profit should be larger than your stop loss to give you a great risk to reward, right? So once you have set all this, you understand, the next thing you're gonna do is what? You can leave your trade, you leave it to run, you close your app, you watch it. But now, as you can see, my balance still remains my balance, right? But my equity is reducing. You understand? You can see my margin, you can see my margin level, and you can see my margin. You can see the trade profit and loss analysis up here. You can see it here. So let's say you want to close this trade right now. You just tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, you see an expanded view. So once you swipe, probably it's gonna be like this. Once you swipe like this, that is, you're swiping to the left from the right. So you're swiping like this. This place, this good means to close it. This place means to modify. This place means to view the chart. So if you want to go back to the chart, you view here. So someone asks, why am I selling? You can see an FVG here. on the 15 minutes and also on the 1 hour. So it's a strong confluence for me to place a sell. You understand? So I'll be, that's why probably you're seeing these sales currently, but it's too early for me to enter also based on my time and everything. But I'm not trading. So once you want to edit from here, just swipe from your right, swipe to left. You see this edit button, you see this one is for closing. So let's say we want to edit our take profit or stop loss, click here. Once you edit anything, let's say we now want to take profit at 200, click on modify, boom, it will be modified. Just change modify. Then once you want to close the trade right here, that is this particular one, once you click on it, you see close with loss. You see down here, you see it here, close with loss, because we are currently losing $7 currently, but I'll not be closing the trade right now, so you can see close as well. So overall, that is basically it. We have talked about how we logged in, how we move around the menus, how we add trades, how we add the symbols or instruments we wish to trade, how we edit our charts to look the best color, remove indicators or add indicators, switch to different time frames, right, from the daily to the 1 hour to the 4 hour. You understand? Placed a trade. And also in placing a trade, there are many other options also. Let's talk about them. Now we have market execution. Once you click here, you see more options. Now we have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop. So I'll be explaining that. So let's say this is the chart of Euro USD, up down, and you want to buy here. You want to buy the market when it comes to this low, right? But price is currently here. You understand? Price is trading here. You can come, let's say here is 1.67720. You can set a buy limit of in 1.6720, so that once price reach this low, it will buy. Then probably you have your stop loss here, then you have your take profits higher. So this is a buy limit. Buy limit is when the market is not actually traded to that area you want it to reach for you to buy. You're waiting patiently. You can set a limit, a buy limit order there. Then for sell limit, probably the market is here, but you want the market to reach this high before you sell, but you don't want to be watching the market, or you just want to set a limit. Then you can set a limit, let's say 1.035. you set a limit here, then the market is currently here. So once the market reaches this your limit order, to open a sell order. So you sell means that you want the market to go back down, right? So buy limit is placing market on a low below the market price for you to buy, and sell limit is above the market price for you to reach there for sales. So let's explain buy stop. So buy stop is explained that, let's say market is going like this, okay. Now market is currently here. So buy stop simply implies that you want the market to reach this particular high level. You understand? See where the market is currently, but you want market to reach here and continue buying. So once you place a buy stop, it means once market reach this high, it will open a buy trade for you automatically at the price. Then it continues going higher. This is what you want to do. Then sell limit is, sell stop is, so let's say the market is currently here and you want the market to come down here for you to sell. You put your sell stop here. That is, you're putting it where the market price has already passed. You understand? So sell stop, market is high, then once price reaches here, you have the sell stop. That means you want price to keep selling. Your sell stop, your sell trade will open. Then you expect, like, your overall you're expecting market to keep going lower. So that is buy stop, sell stop. The market execution is to open at any market price. That is what many people actually use. They want to open a trade at a market price. So if you want to open another trade, set a stop loss 0. Let's say we are using 0.50 as our loss size here. You can see, just open it down. So we want to set our stop loss, we want to set our take profit. Let's say our take profit 1.062, then stop loss 1.069, right? Then we'll now click on sell again. So I've opened another trade, and in this trade actually I placed the stop loss, I placed the the take profit. Everything is actually set. Now you've seen it, SLTP. This swap and taxes is when they charge you a commission for you to open a trade. That is where you'll be seeing your swap. That is the commission you are charging you to open a trade. You understand? So if you want to view your trade on any minute, you can tap on this. Once you tap on the screen, you go to 5-minute time frame. So as you can see on the 5 minutes, the market is actually pushing higher, or like probably just trying to sell anyway. Once you go to the 1 minute, you see what is happening. So market actually broke higher currently from the 1 minute, or overall consolidating. You understand? So this is how you view your chart on the 1 minute. Well, sometimes, as I told you, this is a teaching purpose, so you don't really expect it to, dive into profit immediately. But I know if I hold the trade for longer, yeah, definitely you close into profit, right? So, but these teaching purposes, and this is for learning purposes also. So here we can decide to close our trade. Now once you click here, you close with loss. So it's quite unfortunate that this trade is ending in loss. So here you click on close with loss also. Boom, you have closed the trade. Now once you close the trade, you see that our balance from 1000, we are in 1977. So coming over here to history, we see that we lost $23 from this trade. This trade gave us this loss, and this trade gave us this loss. But overall, if you want to check your overall history, you can check on last month. So this is your total account history. Also, there was profit has been made in this account and losses has been made. But overall, your losses should not affect your account that much. So that is basically it for now. And as you can see, the market have actually dropped drastically. So assuming we held longer, we should have seen profits currently are close in profit. But that is trading for you anyway. So now, as you can see, we have actually explained so many stuff. And once again, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.